You influencers, bruh. And then, you know what she said? She said, Mommy, I only went for one CCA trial, and that was drama.
I didn't say that.
Because you have to go for CCA trials to get into the CCA. So she has 6 options she has to put for CCA. She went for only one trial. How on earth is she supposed to get into her other choices, right? And then I asked her, okay, did you try for students' council or class leaders' council? No. She didn't even try for that. And I asked her, okay, what were your choices? She said, drama, students' council, and CLC. She didn't even try for students' council. She didn't even go for the interview. She didn't do anything. She put student council as her second choice. Okay? And I'm telling her, Bobo, I want you to have your own experiences as well. Don't just put like the same things as me just because you want to be with me all the time.
I don't want that.
You
I
think-
did drama in
you
secondary
think
school.
you think you'll be safer. I'm just saying, like, try to have your own experiences as well. Like, in case you're
Just say
joining
you don't want
because
me
of
in drama.
And then she said, no, I'm joining because I want. And I was like, okay. But then why did you put student council as your second choice? What was your last 2 choices? Outdoor adventure club and basketball. I have never seen this girl touch a basketball in her life. Okay? You know, ask her shoot a hoop, she goes, what is that?
Hey, no. I mean, you said me khela tha. I was really good
I'm
at
like,
it.
Bobo, throw it back, throw the ball back, throw it back. She goes, throw it back. That's what she does. Okay? And I asked her, why did you put basketball? Why didn't you put badminton? And she said, I forgot I could play badminton. You forgot you could play badminton? And she's putting basketball like she went for the CCA tryouts, She's like, oh yeah, I got into basketball, putting it as my choice. You did not even go for it. You didn't even know we had a basketball CCA. And then she goes, yeah, no, I thought, because that one time in New Zealand I played basketball. Let me ask you a question. I cut hair one time, does that make me a barber? No, right? How can she play basketball one time, become a basketballer?
When you kill somebody one time, you become a murderer.
वाह वाह मेरा बच्चा होनहार बच्चा.
You are the reason. You are the reason I have iron deficiency. My blood pressure rises so much, all my iron is used up. I need more. You are the reason. Oh my god, she put basketball like she actually plays basketball, And so why did you put badminton? She's at least better at badminton. She's played badminton before. She's like, oh no, I just thought because I played. You thought? You thought. You can tell me you can thought. You tell me you can think. Obviously not, right? It's very clear that you can't.
Okay, in my defense, right? I did want to go for SC and CLC, but I didn't feel like going for the trial, so just put it in.
It's the same as it's the same as her getting 11 points, putting Yishin Innova as her first choice, and you know what her second choice is? Raffles Institution. Raffles Institution. Science, not art. Science. Is she gonna can't get off of social media? Every tiny, intimate, nice family bonding moment we're having, I'm gonna record this.
Okay, tell
Put
me.
your phone away.
I'm asking you something क्या ना जो लड़की दिन में एक बार चाय पीती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
मुझे नहीं पता.
बोबो तू बता.
I don't know.
ओके जो बड़ा कप चाय का पीती है वो
मम्मी.
नहीं.
बड़ा चाय.
What is wrong with you?
और जो मैनी कप्स पीती है
मम्मी.
चाय. गुरुद्वारा.
गिव अप कर दिया तुमने तो मैं तुम्हें आंसर
I don't give up. My answer was mummy.
रॉन्ग. मैं बताऊं जो एक कप पीती है वो बनी जसवंती. जसवंती
What's just one thing?
जसवंती नाम होगा ना उसका नाम होगा जसवंती.
हो सकता है.
जसवंती. और जो बड़ा कप पीती है वो
बड़ा कप्पी.
I don't know.
भगवंती. बिग वंती.
Oh my god.
और जो बहुत कप पीती है
मम्मी.
मनवंती. मैनी वंती.
That was so funny. Oh my god. That was so funny.
एक और पूछूं.
Okay.
एक और पूछूं
पूछो.
जो अपने घर में ही चाय पीती है.
House auntie.
Guess.
I don't want to guess.
घरवंती.
Good one. Good one. Keep up the great work. That was hilarious.
जो मसाले वाली पीती है.
Oh my God! Stop.
Mom, did you bring her from NUH?
Oh my God, Bray.
I'll help you research the receipt.
कह रहे हैं तेरे को बोल रही मैं तेरे को NUH से लाया हूँ.
कैसे बोल सकते आप तो KKH से लाए थे.